Alright, so here we have 3 units right here. Here's a Ruud Achiever, an American Standard Silver, and a Mitsubishi. Here's this Ruud Achiever. Copeland Emerson scroll. That is a Protect motor. All reams have that. I think 2015 5-ton. That might have been running. That is a heat pump down there. This is American Standard Silver Series, a small one. It's on its scroll. I don't know what motor. I never really listed on those units. 14 to 15 SEER, I'll just say 14 SEER. Oh, that thing was just running actually. Yeah, it's a heat pump. Oh, and the manufacturer date. It's from 2022 and it's a 1.5 ton. And this Mitsubishi right here. This thing is from 2022 and it is a 1.5 ton. Let's see if I don't think these have been running. Or, I don't think this has been running. So yeah. Yeah, there's all 3 of these units. So yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and out.